Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you how to install the OBS on your Windows 10 or 11. So simply open the Google Chrome or any other browser, whichever you use, and on the search you need to type for download OBS Studio. And once you type this, go to first link of their official website. Now look for Windows or Mac OS, whichever you want. So I want to install for Windows. Simply click on download installer and you can see the option of OBS exe. It's getting downloaded. Just wait here for some seconds guys. Let me refresh it. It's downloaded. Just go to its link. Just double click on the OBS Studio and hit